My name's Jack Rowley. I'm a civil engineer and I'm supporting a simulator training programme that engages students to look at careers in civil engineering. And in particular today we're at Wigan Leigh College because some of our collaborators and our clients have expressed interest in it and asked if we could take it to these colleges to support them. So Confucius says, tell me and I forget, show me and I remember, engage me and I learn. So they enjoy it, the feedback's tremendous, and the idea is that they go away and look at careers in the industry and we just try and bolster the interest in the industry. And that's it, simple as that.
So I'm Neil Campbell, one of the assistant principals at Wigan Leigh College, and I look after engineering and construction. We were really happy to have the simulator because it's going to give our students a realistic, immersive experience of on-site training that we can't simulate as a college currently. We have seen an upturn in females coming into construction, and our numbers at the college are increasing through enrolments of females into construction and engineering. But there is still work to do, and there is still initiatives out there that we need to support in order to vary the workforce and have a substantial workforce moving into the future.
The industry is renowned for bad feedback, really. Myths that it's wet, it's muddy, it's not very well paid, it's unsafe. And we don't promote it very well. Therefore, there's not a lot of people that look into the industry. There's thousands of careers, really good careers that are totally safe, very well paid, totally professional, that schools don't know about. So part of this is bringing the teachers up to date with what's available and getting them to coach the students to look at it.
It's really important that colleges and schools engage with industry. So our talent pool is absolutely trained to fill some of the industry gaps that we're currently seeing. There is a tie-in, so there's a triangulated tie-in from schools to colleges to employers. And what we need is employers really to help shape our curriculum. So we do come out with the students that are trained and ready to fit the industry gaps.
So where other parties can help and are helping, such as CITB are coordinating STEM ambassadors to land at the school when the simulator's in there for a week, and the Institute of Engineering Surveyors can do the same, get people to turn up to do talks to support around the industry, so it becomes a career week rather than just a visitor of the simulator. And other parties, other contractors could do the same. Just get in touch so we can coordinate it through the right channels and make it safe and secure for everybody. And that would heighten the impact at the college or the school.